Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this video. I promise I don't always look like this. It's literally 2 in the morning right now, and I'm just filming an intro because I really needed an intro. But today I'm going to be making a little Netflix like gift box. I've made some before, so if you guys want to watch them, I'll link them down below. I made like a sunshine box that was like a yellow inspired box, and then a box of love which was red. I'll link them down below, but let's get on with this video. Okay, so a lot of you guys loved my other box videos, and so today I'm going to be doing a Netflix inspired gift box. So it's going to be obviously red because Netflix is red, and I have already done a red box, so I'll link that down below if you guys want to see. But that one's like a box of love, but this one's a Netflix inspired box, and it's more food. I've also done my sunshine box, which you guys loved. I think it's one of the most viewed on my channel, or the most viewed. I'll link it down below. So to start off the box, I just got just like a plain box. Obviously you get all this at like the Dollar Tree or Target or literally wherever. I recommend the Dollar Tree, and you can throw in some other stuff like candles and stuff too if you guys want to. I wanted to do some glitter because I haven't done one with glitter yet, so I got that and I put it all around the sides. You can obviously see the tape. I just use packing tape because that's the only thing that would hold it, so that's what I use, and I try to make it pretty like minimal. I like put it mostly under here, but you know, I had to do a little bit on the outside, so it kind of looks bad, but whatever, it's fine. And then I got some of this like stuff, you know, to make it very nice. And then I'm gonna show you which food I got, and I also printed out some stuff too to really make it amazing. So here's all the food that I got. It's all red, obviously. There's some like white in there too, but it's fine. So I got Pocky. These are some chocolate sticks. I'm sure you guys can think of so much more, but these are just like the main things I got. Some big red gum, some Altoids. I got some Nutter Butters, some Mentos, Cheez-Its because, you know, literally the red. Some Doritos. I got some candy, Skittles, hot tamales. I got Fruit Loops, Pringles, some milk, and that's what I got. I'm thinking like popcorn and some other stuff too. What I printed out was this, so I'm gonna say like this is a birthday box, so like a Netflix birthday gift box kind of thing. So I printed out have a Netflix birthday and then the little Netflix sign. And then I also made this right here, which I thought was super cool. This just says like Netflix on it, and then it's just like paper on the back. And then I just made it, and you can put money in there, or like a gift card, or just like a little note or something. So I just thought this was super cute because it looks like a little ticket kind of, you know. So yeah, it's super easy to make. Okay, here's a good angle right here. I'm sorry, I can see my shoes in the back. Doc Martens, Huaraches, if you guys care. So let's start off with, I like to put like the Doritos in the back right here. And let's put the Cheez-Its since we have like multiple of those. So we can do those right there. And then one thing I like to do is like stack stuff. So I'm gonna do the Nutter Butters right here. You want to be able to see everything. We can probably do the Pocky right here too, because I don't know, these are just really cute. Let's do the Skittles right here, kind of just there. Let's do like a Red Hot. Let's do the Fruit Loops kind of like laying down almost. Let's do the hot tamales. Let's do these in the back, since yeah, I put the hot tamales in the back so they can like stick out. The milk, do it right there. Let's see. Let's do the big reds right here because I feel like those are just so, and the Altoids right here. Okay, and then the Mentos gum, let's put it like right here. Okay, and then oh, we have the Pringles too, so I feel like I want to do one right there, and then maybe one right here actually. So, and then just do like a big red right there. That looks so good. Look at how good that looks right there, you guys. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the little Netflix thing. See, so you can just write like a little card in here, or put money, or already put a gift card in there, whatever. And I'm just gonna like put it right there, or you can even put it like in the middle, you know, so you kind of like see it, like the Netflix. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do Hava like right here, right? And then I'm gonna do like the Netflix on this side, and then like the Netflix logo on here, or let's see, I'm trying to think. I'm just using this tape right here. Perfect, look how good that looks. Oh, it's kind of coming off. Okay guys, this is the final product. It looks so good. I know this tape kind of ruins it right there a little bit, but it looks kind of weird without it because it kind of like flies off. But I just put have a Netflix birthday. I put like Netflix birthday. I don't know. So okay, I got rid of the Hava because I was just like I don't know. So I just put Netflix, and then say it's somebody's birthday, you can put like birthday or whatever, or just whatever you want. So I just put this with the Netflix sign, and it looks so good. Let me show you guys from far away. Like if somebody came up to me with this, I would literally be like, oh my gosh. Okay, so after figuring out what to do, I finally decided on this. So basically I just cut off the sides because I feel like they just looked kind of like weird and awkward. So I just put the glitter on the inside, so it was just like super red, you know, and you couldn't see like so much of the box color. Another thing you can do is actually put this on the actual box so you don't have these little flaps here if you don't want them. But yeah, here's the glitter. I love it. The glitter, it just makes it so cute. And then I just put Netflix birthday. You don't have to put the birthday if it's not their birthday, or if you just don't want the birthday, you don't have to put that there. But I definitely recommend putting the Netflix logo on there so they know it's like a Netflix kind of inspired box, or you can just do a red box, I guess. But yeah, there's everything. This is how it turned out. I actually love it. So here's a little close-up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and make sure to subscribe down below. So make sure to comment videos you guys want to see, because back to school is coming up. My school is online, so I will still be trying to do some back to school videos, but not as many as I normally do. There will not be as many back to school videos as I normally do, but I hope to get up some. So make sure to comment. I'll see you guys in my next video, and make sure to follow me on Instagram at SimplyKye with 2 E's. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.